Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, on my way home from the store today, I saw a sign that said sale. Well, you know me, I'm going to follow the sign. So I drove along and came to this sale in somebody's front yard where they had a big tractor for sale, $2,500. Nice tractor. Well, it's not a giant tractor, but you know, it's about half the size of the 8N. So it's still a pretty good size. It's a big garden tractor. And they wanted $2,500 for it, which is not a bad price because it was fairly new. Didn't get a picture of it, probably should have, but anyways. And they had a trailer and some other stuff there, but the thing that caught my eye first was Coleman lantern for 10 bucks. Now it's only a single mantle, but still, it's a Coleman lantern for 10 bucks. And it has this little funnel that came with it. Now the guy said he goes to garage sales, so I'm imagining he bought this at a garage sale because it doesn't look like it's been used. At least not in a long, long time. On the same bench was this engine. Briggs & Stratton, looks to be about a 3 horse. Yep, that's what it says right there on the recoil starter, 3 horsepower. So that's a nice size engine. He said he doesn't know if it runs. He bought it to get the pump that it was attached to, took this off the pump and never tried starting it. But it's got compression. I think won't take a whole lot to get it going. So 2 really good scores today, and it didn't take that much time and effort to get them. So when you see a sale sign, you can't always be me, but if you get the opportunity, go take a look. You might just find a couple of really cool things. And I got a couple of projects here that aren't this big slab of wood. I took the day off on the wood cutting today. Today was 4th of July, and I went to parades and watched races and had fun time. And tomorrow I'll get back into cutting mulberry.